Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. This is Real Leather Certified Career Coach. Our topic today is how to apply for a job. This topic might seem straightforward to some, but it can be a daunting task for many. We'll break it down into easy steps to follow so you can navigate the process with confidence and increase your chances of landing that dream job. The first step in applying for a job is to identify the role that you want. Take a close look at the job posting to ensure it's a good fit for you. While you don't have to match every requirement 100%, you should possess the necessary knowledge and a good level of understanding of the function of the job. If you meet most of the requirements, apply. Don't take yourself out of the game. Let the employer make that call, because sometimes it's the luck of the draw that gets you in the door. Your resume is your tool to impress potential employers. Use the job posting as your guide to tailor your resume. Highlight your relevant knowledge, skills, and experience. Even if your experience isn't an exact match, describe it in a way that shows how you can transfer those skills to the new role. If you need help creating a resume, there are examples to be found online. Choose one with minimum design features to minimize chances of getting rejected by the applicant tracking system known as ATS. And most employers will use a portal for application submissions. A simple resume is more appealing to those who review stacks of resumes all day. Too many lines, designs, and unnecessary photos only create distractions from your qualifications. Your resume has one job, and that is to help the reader/hiring manager understand how to hire you. Once you have your first draft, be sure to run it against the job posting to ensure relevant information is included to convey to the employer that you are a strong candidate. One third-party website you can use is JobScan. JobScan is a tool that lets you cut and paste your resume and job description to compare your matchability for the role. It will point out where your presentation is weak and how you can improve it. If you need help understanding how to tailor your resume, I have linked a few of my videos below. And before you start applying for jobs, gather all the information you'll need for job applications. It's far less frustrating to take time to gather it than to have to stop and search for it while you're trying to get through the application process. And try not to stall too long. You don't want the application portal to kick you out for inactivity. You will need to provide details about your previous employers. So collect the company's name, address, phone number, and the name of your supervisors. Also list the positions and the years that you worked there. Don't worry about how they'll verify your history or that your supervisor no longer works there. That's the potential employer's job, not yours. If you're asked to describe your role, refer to your resume because you've already done the job. You'll also need to list the addresses where you live for possibly the last 10 years. And this helps employers do the background check. Have a list of your schools that you've attended, and if you have higher education, you can omit high school from your resume, but it may be asked on the actual application. And be sure to always report the correct dates and degree programs so that verification process will run smoothly. Prepare a list of professional references with their names, job titles, and email addresses and phone numbers. These should be individuals who can vouch for your professional capabilities, such as managers, professors, or colleagues. Lastly, take your time filling out the application. This is your opportunity to shine, so don't rush it. Polish your documents and ensure they are free of typos and mistakes. Remember, once you hit submit, it's out of your hands. Also, you want to apply directly to the employer's websites rather than applying through a third-party job board. And this is to ensure that your application won't get filtered out and that it will have a better chance of actually reaching the employer. Keep a folder of documents and information that you provided for each application so that you can stay organized and keep track of the different places where you've applied. Your organized information will come in handy when you get the interview. And as a reminder, all the information the interviewer will know about you is what you have submitted. It will be helpful if you can reference it quickly. Applying for a job doesn't have to be a daunting process, but by following these steps, you can streamline your job application journey and improve your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.